I hope you guys are keeping well. So today we are starting a new chapter called Glimpses of India. This is for class 10th A and 10th B. So this chapter has been broken into three parts. This is a travel story, and the first one is Glimpses of India. The first one is a baker from Goa. So basically, travel stories are where you're given a brief, a detailed description about that particular region, and this is an opportunity to understand and to see what a normal life in that particular area is like, on a normal working day. So a baker from Goa is a travel story from description from Lucio Rodriguez, and it says that what images of people and of places come to your mind when you think of your country. Let's say, for example, because we are Indian, so what is the first thing that comes in your mind when you're thinking about India as a country, So some people, if you are asking me, I can. The first thing that reminds me is other things that come that are related to my region. I can relate it to the dances, the traditional dances of Ladakh, and the religious dances. Performed by monks on festivals, in monasteries, the Shikara ride in Srinagar, or a beautiful lady wearing a traditional sari. These are things that relate to India as a country. So henceforth, you also would have other things, ideas, or things that remind you about India as a country. What parts of India have you lived in or visited? Can you name some popular tourist destinations? These are just questions, and I just want you to write it and upload it on Google Classroom tomorrow. It'll just take 2 or 3 minutes. Upload these answers on Google Classroom, and you may know that apart from the British, the Dutch, and the French, the Portuguese have also played a part in the history of a country. As we know that the English settlement and the Dutch settlement and French settlement have left a very long impact on the history and tradition of Indian culture, and in the same way, the Portuguese settlement, the Portuguese colonies have till date left a huge impact. And although when they left, they did leave the tradition. A couple of which these traditions are still followed by Indians. So you can tell me about that. It's very easy. You can just Google it. Can you say which parts of India show French and Portuguese influences? Basically, the question says that you need to tell me about the French and Portuguese settlements in India before the revolution. The Freedom Revolution. Can you say which parts of India grow tea and coffee? So, what are the places where tea is grown and tea is very famous and tea is grown in abundance, or coffee is grown in abundance? You can just give me these answers.